Hello guys, I am Arvind and this is continuation video of string and it is part 9. So guys, in this lecture I will discuss palindrome string. So let's go ahead and we'll discuss what is palindrome. So if reverse of the string is same as that string, then string is said to be palindrome, and these are the few examples of palindrome such as Madam, Naman, Nitin, Malayalam and Radar. So guys, in this lecture I will show you how can we check whether the given string is palindrome or not. So let me open up the Turbo C++ compiler. So guys, in this program we will learn how can we check whether the given string is palindrome or not. So in main function I have declared a character array S of size 20 and 3 integer variables I, L and T, and we have assigned 0 to I and T. After that I am taking input from the user by using getS function for the string S, and then I am printing this string by using this printf function. After that I am calculating the length of a string by using strlen function and subtracting 1 from this length of the string, and that would be stored to variable L. And then I am using while loop to scan all the characters from this string S until I found null character. As we know that if the reverse of a string is same as that string, then it is called palindrome. So if we start comparing alphabets from front and back and all the alphabets are equal, then we can say the given string is palindrome. And at some point of time, if both the alphabets are not equal, then we can say a string is not palindrome. So if both the alphabets from front or back are not same, then we will save it in T. So if T is not equal to 0, then we can say string is not palindrome, or if T equals to 0, then we can say string is palindrome. So guys, let's take an example. So suppose if I have entered Madam as a string in S, then the length of a string will be 5 and the value of L will be 4 because we have subtracted 1 from this length of the string. So the value of L will be 4. So now in the while loop, S of 0, that is M, and M is not equal to null, so this condition is true. So now we are checking this condition. So S of 0, that is M, and S of L, so the value of L is 4, so the S of 4 is M. So M is not equal to M, so condition is false, so T++ will not be executed, so I++ will be executed and L will be executed. So the L will be 1 and L will be 3. So now come to this condition. So S of 1, that is A, is not equal to null, so the condition is true. And now again we are checking this condition. So S of 1, that is A, and S of 3, that is A. So this condition is also false, so T++ will not be executed again. So I++ will be executed and L will be executed. So I will be 2 and L will be 2. So now S of 2, that is D, is not equal to null, so this condition is true. Now we are again checking this condition. So S of 2, that is D, and S of 2, that is D. So D is not equal to D. This condition is false. So T++ will not be executed again. So I++ will be executed and L will be executed again. So I will be 3 and L will be 1. So S of 3, that is A, is not equal to null, condition is true. Now we are checking this condition. So S of 3, that is A, is not equal to S of 1, that is also A. So A is not equal to A, so this condition is false. So this statement will not be executed again. So I++ will be executed and L will be executed. So the value of I will be 4 and L will be 0. Now come to this condition. So S of 4, that is M, and M is not equal to null, so this condition is true. Now come to this condition. So S of 4, that is M, and is not equal to S of 0, that is also M. So M is not equal to M, condition is false, so T++ won't be executed again, and then I++ will be executed. So the value of I will be 5 and L will be executed, so the value of L will be -1. So now come to this condition. So S of 5, that is a null character, So null character is not equal to null character, so this condition is false. So it will come out from this while loop. So the value of t will be 0 because t is not changed. Now come to this if statement, and if t equals to 0, it will print the string is palindrome. So in this case it will print string is palindrome. So now if I run this program and it is requesting to enter the string, so let me enter the string. So now it is saying string is palindrome. And now guys, if I run this program again and enter Madan and hit enter, and it will print the string is not palindrome. So guys, I hope it is clear to you, and thank you so much guys for watching this video. Just in case you liked it, do not forget to like and subscribe. I will see you then in the next video.